What's up, guys? So here's my update with ITP. Because I'm really busy yesterday, I forgot to click my trades, so I missed my $5 yesterday, but that's okay. Yeah, I'm ready to upgrade my account now. So I'm currently G1 right now, and I have good amount of team already, but all of them, most of them are on free accounts. So reminder for those of you who are on free accounts, guys, you need to deposit at least $100 so you can maximize the earning potential of this project. So again, we are earning 2.5%, and we can compound. So we all know the power of compounding. So we can compound our profit. This app is really a very promising one, and I don't see a short term or scam thing from this project because this is very stable. So yeah, there's huge potential, and yes, it's quite a bit high when it comes to daily percentage of earnings, because again, 2.5% per day. If you compare that to other projects or platforms, they are only earning like 1% or less per day. And with ITP, we will earn 2.5%, and that's big, right? Especially I saw people from Europe and other countries. Okay, just like I've said, they have really huge community of this project. They are investing tens and thousands of dollars in this project, and yeah, their withdrawals are really huge. That yeah, I can't imagine how they really invest that huge amount of money in this project. But again, maybe they saw the goodness of this project as well. Just like I've said, this is very stable. They have huge amount of numbers of people and members, and also leaders from all over the world, and people inside this project are really making lots of money. So let me show you video here. Okay, so look at this.
Ladies and gents, Mr. Billy here from the UK, just out on an evening meal with my team. Say hello, team. Hello, team. Okay, so they're all having the phones out.
I've just done a $10,000 withdrawal.
Absolutely
that will land in my
fantastic.
account in 72 hours.
Let's just go into match balance.
It was 35,000, it's now at 25,000.
Okay, let's have a look at your balance here.
Just started 10 days ago.
How long?
10 days.
Fab. How long have you been on the platform for?
30 days.
30 days. Okay, let's go round the table.
I've withdrew over 800 and I've made over 2k since August.
Wow, let's have a little look.
Withdrawn 3,000, started 2 months ago.
Brilliant, happy days. Last but by no means least.
So I've made about 4,000 in a month and a half.
And what's your balance now, be saying out?
Nearly 10 grand.
Wow, absolutely fantastic.
Thank you,
That's it, guys. I just wanted to show you how people are getting crazy about this project. So they won't put that huge amount of money into the system if they see a scam potential of this project. So yeah, this is not a get rich quick scheme, but if you're a builder, you can maximize your opportunity with this project, because you can also earn from the profit of the people you will put into the system. And also yeah, the power of compounding, that's the number one. They are really crazy about this project. So, and me too, guys, I want to add some more capital, because yeah, even without inviting, we can maximize the earning potential. So if we put in like $500 and keep it compounding, then we can make a lot of money from this. Okay, and what really important is the longevity and stability of the project. Okay, and this is very easy, guys. Yeah, we all know in trading, it's really easy to make money, to double or even 10 times your money. So yeah, and with this project, they have the AI, which they they are doing quantitative trading, wherein it's very profitable and very low risk. Okay, so they are not doing manual trading, they use AI, so success rate is really high. That's why people are getting crazy. So yeah, I wanted to upgrade into G2, which has the requirements of $500 minimum capital. And you can see here on G2 upgrade condition, if I accomplish 5 people or direct referrals, but those 5 referrals must have at least $100 deposit. Okay, when that happens, I will qualify this G2 equity, wherein I can potentially earn up to 30,000 US dollars from that 500 capital, and I can click 6 times versus my current quantitative times of clicks, which is 5 per day. So when I accomplish this G2 upgrade condition, I can have 6 times to click the quantitative trading, and then as well as the percentage will go higher to 2.8% instead of 2.5%. So that's a big help, guys. All right, so even if I'm not inviting people, I can still make daily earnings. Okay, so let's try to compute that, how much I can earn from my $500 capital. So yeah, let's just assume that I have 5 direct referrals, because for now I have 2 active referrals, so I just need 3 to accomplish the G2 equity. Okay, so 500 times 2.8%, then I'll be earning $14 per day passively. Okay, so it will only takes me like 5 minutes or less to click this quantize, and I will earn that $14 daily. That's purely profit from my own capital. Okay, so excluded the profits from my team, wherein we all know I am building this project. So yeah, that's impossible to have 0 referrals. All right, and by the way, I am proud to share this project because again, this is for long term and very, very stable. Okay, so yep, you can explore your dashboard. So what I'm going to do now is to deposit and or to recharge my account. So I have 244. I just invested $200. So the other amount right here came from my bonuses and other commissions. Okay, so this is how you fund or recharge your account. Just click recharge, and then okay, 256. All right, because yeah, there's another yeah, let me show you guys. That's why I wanted to top up my account now, because I want to qualify their promo as well. So there's still promo running right now, which is, hold on a second. So yeah, we can see here, new users who make their first deposit of at least 500 will receive $50, and inviter gets $30. So I don't know if I will receive my bonus. Okay, because yeah, this is not my first time deposit, but it's my second one. So I don't care about the bonus. What I care is the earning potential that I'm losing every day if I'm not doing this. So I don't want my money sitting down on my Binance account. I want it to make or generate more money for me. All right, so now let's continue again, and then yeah, I make sure that there's an extra so that we won't be short on the amount, because it should be 500 to be on G2. Okay, now let's click on recharge, and there you go. So USDT TRC20, I'll choose this and copy this. Okay, so make sure that the 3 last and first letters are the same. Okay, I just copied it, and I will withdraw from here from my Binance. All right, so there we go. TRC20. how much? 256, right? So yeah, I will just type in 257 to receive 256 exact amount. Okay, withdraw now. So this is very fast, guys. Yeah, I noticed on my first time to deposit here, it only took like less than 3 minutes. All right, so there you go. My withdrawal is processing now. I can track here on my withdrawal. So yeah, once this one is completed, then I will check back onto my ITP account. And by the way, guys, yeah, there's an update here wherein the domain name of ITP has been changed. So keep in mind and be aware of the changes on your referral link. So if you're sharing this project to your friends or family, make sure that you have checked your referral links, because the previous one, yeah, the referral links is itp.top, okay, and now we are using itp.club. All right, so they have just changed it yesterday, and yeah, it's reflected on our referral links. So make sure that you update your referral links if you're sharing this project. And again, that's for a long-term plans of this of the developers of this company. Okay, so yeah, do your own research, guys. Don't rely much on what I'm saying, because yeah, I'm just an investor and I'm just showing you what I'm doing to grow my portfolio. So yeah, make sure you do your own research. And of course, yeah, you can see the withdrawal notification here. It has been successfully withdrawn. So yeah, do your own research and only invest what you can afford to lose. So that applies to every project, especially in crypto industry. Okay, now let's go to my assets, and there you go. So yeah, exactly 500 now. And I can now click on quantize and start the trade. So you can see that I only have 494 right here now. So I don't know why, but yeah, there's certain rules here. So make sure you explore your back office. So when we go to assets, you can see the 72-hour fund review mechanism. So that's the reason why there's split on total release funds and flexible funds. Okay, so yep, I have as long as I have total assets of 500, then I'm good. Okay, come back here and start to quantize. So yeah, G1 upgrade condition, valid amount is now 500. So what I'm going to do now is to work on my valid members and see how this works. Okay, so let's start to quantize. Take note of my total earnings right now, and after the 5 quantization, we can see the total earnings for today. All right. right, so there you go, guys. I've got 12.35 from today from my five actually $494 only valid amount on today's quantified amount, so it's not complete 500. All right, so maybe I just need to wait for a few more hours, like 72 hours, to make this complete. All right, so yeah, this is very passive, guys. No invite needed or involved from my $12 profit today. So there you go. That's how you do quantize or quantitative trading from ITP. And I will update you guys on my journey on this project. So thank you so much, guys. Again, this is Baby Snow. Don't forget to subscribe on my channel, hit the bell icon, and consider thumbs up from this video. You can share this video as well and comment your thoughts. So that's all I have for you with ITP. Thank you so much again. This is Baby Snow. Happy earnings, everyone. Bye bye.